Shivani Singhal. I'm your German trainer. So, welcome to my German class. We are going to start our German A1 level. So, in A1 level, it's for beginners. Yeah, like the students who want to start their German language from the beginning. So, today we are going to start with A1 level. So today we will be starting with greetings. Greetings means in Hindi Shubhkamnaएं, like good morning, yeah, namaste, like in Hindi. So greetings are Begrüßung. Begrüßung means greetings. It's B is Begrüßung. Begrüßung. Yeah? So, as you wake up in the morning, so what do you wish? Good morning. So, good morning in German is Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. During the day, what do we wish is good afternoon or good day. Good afternoon, either good day. So, in German is Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Then in the evening, so it's good evening is Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend is good evening. In the night, it's good night. It's Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. This is a sound of k. Nacht. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. After that, if you want to wish sleep well is Schlaf schön. Schlaf schön. Schlaf schön. Yeah. Now I am going to write all these words in Hindi as well, ताकि आप लोग हिंदी में भी उसकी pronunciation पढ़कर उसको बोल सके. I want you guys to please make notes and repeat with me. In German, there is a hearsay is was mein Schreib bleibt hier. That it means आप जो भी लिखते हो वो आपके सीधे दिमाग में जाता है. तो I want you guys to make notes and repeat. Please repeat with me. Good morning is, sorry, we are going to start with Begrüßung, yeah? So Begrüßung is greetings. Begrüßung. Begrüßung. Again, Begrüßung. Begrüßung means greetings. Namaste, hello, how are you? So these are greetings. Then looking forward, good morning is Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. I have written this in Hindi as well. Yeah. Guten Now it's good evening. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Then good night is gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Nacht. This is a sound of Nacht. Gute Nacht. And sleep well is Schlaf schön. Schlaf schön. Schlaf. Schlaf schön. So it's good morning. Yeah. It's good afternoon. It's completely when we are wake up. Yeah. Good evening is quite, we are in a good mood swing sometimes or every time. I am always on. Good night is, we are feeling sleepy. So it's good night, sleep well. So again, I am going to repeat all these greetings. Begrüßung. Begrüßung is greeting. Begrüßung. Begrüßung. Then good morning is guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. You can split these words while pronouncing guten Morgen. Like here, guten Morgen. Is a single word, more, then gun. Guten Morgen. I hope you guys will be repeating with me. Please, I want you should make notes. Yeah. Then good afternoon or good day. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Good evening. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten is here all same. Yeah, यहाँ पे सब same ही है. Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend. So I think Guten के लिए इतनी दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए. So Guten Abend. Abend भी बहुत easy सा word है. Abend. Abend. Guten Abend. For Gute Nacht is Gute Nacht. Nacht. You guys will be thinking कि यहाँ पर Guten है, Guten Morgen है, Guten Tag है, Guten Abend है, but why here is Gute? So there is a reason for it. We'll be discussing in other sessions. Yeah. So it's Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Then sleep well. Schlaf schön. Schlaf schön. Schlaf schön. Schön, then no. Schlaf schön. So ये हमारी है greetings. ठीक है. Good morning is Guten Tag. Good afternoon is Guten Tag is good afternoon. Good morning is Guten Morgen. Good evening is Guten Abend. Good night is Gute Nacht. Sleep well is Schlaf schön. So we are going to discuss a very interesting thing is alphabets. There are also like 26 alphabets as in English. जैसे हमारे English में भी 26 alphabets है. So in German there are also 26 alphabets only. So इतना डरने वाली बात नहीं है. So there are only 26 alphabets. ABC तो सभी को याद ही है. A B C D E F A B C D E F G Z. So, same in English, 26 alphabets as I told you. Yeah. So now, I am going to repeat A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. अभी थोड़ा जल्दी हो गया, but I am going to write this in Hindi as well, so don't worry for it. A. Repeat with me. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, F, G, H, I, yacht, yacht, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, 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 S, T, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, 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 X, X, Epsilon, Epsilon, set, set. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, yacht, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So it's easy now. So again we are going to repeat four words. A, speak A, B, A, B, C, D, A, F, 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 G, H, I, yacht, yacht, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, R. This is a sound of like something is vibrating. R, 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 S, T, U, V, W, X, X, Epsilon, Z. All set? So again, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, yacht, F, G, H, I, yacht, F, G, H, I, yacht, K, L, M, N, O, K, L, N, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Epsilon, Z. So these are your alphabets. ये आपके alphabets हैं. They are very easy. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, yacht, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Epsilon, Z. Now we are going to do a very small activity for you guys. Now we pronouncing our name in German. अपने नेम्स जो है हम जर्मन में प्रोनाउंस करेंगे, जर्मन में हम बोलेंगे. Pronounce is Buchstabieren. 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 Buchstabieren is like pronouncing our name. Like my name is Shivani, so S is in German is S. S H I V A N E. So Shivani is S H I V A N E. Das ist Buchstabieren. Wenn man buchstabiert den Namen, das ist so. Ja, हम pronounce करते हैं अपना name तो it's like that. Pick another name like Viom. So V is, tell me guys, V is foul. Yeah, here foul. V is foul. I is E. Y is, tell me why, is U foul V X epsilon. Epsilon. Y is epsilon. Y is epsilon. O. M is M. So foul E epsilon O M. Foul E epsilon O M. Guillaume. Some more names. Peter. Peter. Yeah. So pay. A. Tay. A. R. R. So this is the pronunciation of Peter is, in German it's Peter, not Peter, Peter. P A T A R. Peter. Yeah? Now again we are picking up some new words. Tanya. Tanya. So T is T A N. Y is X epsilon. It's epsilon. A. Tanya. T A N epsilon A. Tanya. So here Shivani is S H I V A N E. Shivani. Then Vyom V E epsilon O M. V E epsilon O M. Here Peter in German Peter. P is A. T is T. E is again A. So again, alphabets, there are 26 alphabets. Again we are doing division of it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Then Buchstabieren means pronunciation. 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 So now we'll learn how do we say my name is Shivani. In German, ich heiße Shivani. Ich heiße Shivani. Und wie heißen Sie? If I want to say, hi, my name is Shivani. So, hello. Hi, you can say here, hello. My name is Shivani. So, hello. Mein Name ist Shivani. Mein Name ist Shivani. My is mine. Ma, in, mine. Na, ma. Name ist. Yeah, my name is Shivani. My name is. Name you can mention here. We are not going to pronounce like S, H, E, V, A and E. No, the name would be same. But if you are asked to Buchstabieren means pronounce your name, then only it would be S, H, E, V, A and E. Otherwise, my name is Peter. Hello, my name is Tanya. Yeah, so name would be same. Or what you can say is Ich heiße Shivani. Ich heiße Shivani. Ich heiße this S is like, you know, draw it like that, and this is double S. We'll do it later. Ich heiße. In German, like कोई भी word होता है, so we'll pronounce it like that. E na, in English we don't pronounce it E. Name, it's just a name. But in German it's Name. E is pronounced as A, so it's Name. A. Same here. Ich heiße Shivani. Ich heiße Shivani. So E is pronounced as A. And ich heiße Shivani. Ich heiße Pradeep. Ich heiße Peter. Ich heiße Tanya. Ich heiße Sonia. So ich heiße Shivani. Ich heiße Sonia. Or you can say my name is Shivani. That's all same. your my name is Shivani, yeah, I am Shivani. There's no difference. Yeah. So my name is Shivani is mein Name is Shivani. Mein Name is Shivani. Ich heiße Shivani. Ich heiße Shivani or Sonia, any name you can take. That means I am Shivani. I am Shivani. So, if somebody is asked to you, what's your name? What's your name? क्या नाम है आपका? So, what's your name? In German, wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Repeat with me. Wie. Like in Hindi, ki na. So wie. High. High in English like high volume. Wie. In Hindi like ki. Heißen is high. It's high. Sun. Heißen Sie. Not Z, it's Z. Wie heißen Sie? So wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? If this question is asked, so wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Shivani und wie heißen Sie? I am Shivani and what's your name? Yeah? Und du kann man auch sagen, we can also say wie heißen Sie und du means and you, du or you. It's informal. We'll be talking about all that. So please don't worry about it. Wie heißen Sie और und du means आपका क्या नाम है? आपका क्या नाम है? मेरा नाम शिवानी है और आपका like same in German. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Shivani und du? This is so formal, huh? I mean this, wie heißen Sie, it's formal. So wie heißen Sie is quite formal. Wie heißen Sie? So wie. Like ki in Hindi it's wie. Heißen. Wie heißen Sie? Means what's your name? This is so formal. Yeah. If you talk about informal, then you can say wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? What's your name? With your younger ones, you can use wie heißt du? ये सिर्फ हम informal में use करते हैं. So don't ask this question to your elders. In Germany, basically, they people don't like if you ask them, wie heißt du? So try to avoid it until or unless the person whom are you asking should be like your younger one. Yeah. So wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? It's informal. Formal is wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? What's your name? It's formal and it's informal. Now answer would be ich heiße Shivani und du or und sie. Du or can use sie. Du is, I told you, it's completely it sounds informal. Sie is formal. Heißen, wie heißen Sie? Und is and you, and you. And du is du, means you, informal. So wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? What's your name? आपका क्या नाम है? Wie heißt du? What's your name? It sounds informal. So wie heißt du? Wie heißen Sie und du? So answer, you know. Ich heiße Maria. Ich heiße Maria. Ich heiße. Ich heiße Maria. Ich heiße Maria. So today we have discussed first of all greetings, which is in German is Begrüßung, then alphabets, then how to pronounce your name, yeah, like Buchstabieren is a pronunciation. After that we have discussed how to say what's your name, my name is so and so, and I am so and so, and what's your name, my name is A, and you. So Guten Morgen is good morning. Good day is Guten Tag. Good evening is Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten is so easy. Guten Abend. Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Gute Nacht. Schlaf schön. Schlaf schön is sleep well. Schlaf schön. Then Begrüßung we have done. Greetings. Then alphabets. And Buchstabieren is your how to pronounce. Then naming section we have done. Like I am so and so. My name is. Now two more words we will be learning is excuse me is Entschuldigung, and Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. And and Entschuldigung. बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है ये, so we'll be spreading it like that. And like in English na, and you can pronounce it like that. Schul and Schul. D like in English D and Schuldi and Schuldigung and Schuldigung and Schuldigung. Excuse me, or it's sorry also, but we'll be discussing it in the next session. Entschuldigung and Schuldigung. Entschuldigung. Yeah? One more word is Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen means see you. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf we have learned this word Wiedersehen. And one more word bye is tschüss. Tschüss or ciao. Ciao. Mostly Germans ciao. They use ciao. So I think it's enough for today. So please watch these videos. So thank you. Bye bye.